In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to link to a frame in Miro. By the end, you'll be able to create a direct link that takes anyone straight to the exact section of your board you want them to see, which is perfect for guiding teammates through workshops, reviews, or handoffs. Start by logging into your Miro account and opening the board you want to share. If your board is busy, remember that frames act like slides or chapters. They define a specific area, making it easy to navigate. If you're not seeing frames, zoom out a bit to spot their boundaries. A selected frame will show a visible outline. Next, click the frame you want people to jump to. You can also click any object inside that frame, like a shape or a sticky note. Selecting something within the frame works too, especially if that's the item you plan to attach the link to. Zooming in slightly can help you confirm you're targeting the right area. When your frame or object is selected, a context toolbar appears. Click the three dots to open more options, then choose Copy Link. That copies a frame-specific URL to your clipboard, which opens your board directly at that frame. If you prefer shortcuts, using Ctrl or Command+ on the selected object can quickly open the link field so you can work faster, though copying the frame link gives you the precise destination you'll paste in a moment. Now pick the object on your board where you want the link to live. This could be a button-style shape, a card with instructions, or an image. Select it, then either right-click or use the three dots on its toolbar, choose Link To, and paste the URL you just copied. Press Enter to apply. For clarity, consider labeling the object with a short call to action like Go to Overview so teammates recognize it as a navigation link. Finally, test it. Click the linked object or its preview and you'll jump instantly to that specific frame. Your collaborators will experience the same behavior, which dramatically streamlines navigation on large boards. A few quick tips. Make sure viewers have access to the board or they'll be prompted to request permission. If you later rename or move the frame, the deep link will still point to the frame itself. But if the frame is deleted, the link can't resolve. Keep linked objects visible and unlocked so people don't miss them during meetings. That's it. You've created a reliable frame-level link that keeps everyone focused on the right place at the right time.